Established in the year 1990, Javla Advanced Technology is one of the premier manufacturers and exporters of an extensive array of form fill seal packaging machines. We have state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities which is spread over a wide area of land. The facility is outfitted with robust and cutting-edge infrastructure which are used for all their operational processes. Our company provides packaging solutions to cater the needs of its clients and offers a wide range of best grade packaging machines designed to meet customers' individual requirements. These include continuous FFS packaging machines, collar type packaging machines, flow wrap packaging machines, rotary type packaging machines, multi-track as well as SPM packaging machines and many more. To manufacture these products, top quality components and modern machines are used. Javla products are known for their compact design, excellent accuracy, reliable performance, sturdy construction, durability and low maintenance. With a strength of over 300 dedicated professionals, the company is poised to deliver any product within the given time. The atmosphere at the manufacturing unit is well coordinated, which aids in designing and developing flawless range of products. Javla Advanced Technology has been successful in maintaining the trust and confidence of their customers. We enjoy a wide customer base today, mainly because of our commitment to schedule and providing customer satisfaction. The directors and other engineers have a rich experience in their respective fields. Frequent interactions and discussions keep them updated about the market needs. A dedicated R&D team works tirelessly towards development of newer designs and quality improvement of our products. In addition to this, our professionals also attend various seminars which help them in enhancing their skills and making them aware of the latest product development and market trends. To ensure the delivery of defect-free and high-performance products, our quality control team conducts stringent checks of the products. Due to our high-quality FFS packaging machines, we have secured a top position in this domain. We also offer many payment options to our clients to conduct hassle-free transactions with us. Javla Advanced Technology is a leading name among customers adhering to its client-centric policies. Our team of highly experienced and qualified professionals assist them in manufacturing a wide range of machines. These professionals maintain the effective communication link and work in close coordination with each other. This helps organization in accomplishing the common objectives of the firm within predetermined time frame. Our service network is spread all over the India. Delhi, Agra, Bhopal, Bilaspur, Sambalpur, Asansol, Kanpur, Jaipur, Jodhpur, Ludhiana, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Nagpur and Jalpaiguri. With a strong focus and commitment dovetailed with passion for excellence, Javla Advanced Technology looks forward for achieving higher goals.